Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something that's going to completely change how you travel. I'm talking about 10 incredible airport and airline secrets that the industry really doesn't want you to discover. Whether you're a weekend warrior or you only fly once a year for vacation, this video is going to save you serious money, precious time, and honestly, a mountain of headaches. Now here's the thing. I've been researching travel hacks for years, and some of these secrets blew my mind when I first learned them. Make sure you stick around until secret number 10, because that one is an absolute game changer that most people completely overlook. Trust me, it could transform your entire approach to booking flights. Let's dive right in. Secret number 1 is what I call the upgrade opportunity window, and it's basically invisible to most travelers. Here's what happens behind the scenes that airlines don't advertise. Every single flight has what they call inventory management happening right up until departure time. People cancel last minute, no-shows happen, and sometimes flights get oversold in certain cabin classes, but not others. Now here's where it gets interesting for you. If you show up looking professional, check in early online, and arrive at the airport on time, you've suddenly put yourself in the running for complimentary upgrades. Airlines have gate agents who literally have the power to move passengers around, and they're more likely to upgrade someone who looks like they belong in business class and won't cause problems. The magic phrase that works surprisingly often is simply asking politely at check-in. I was wondering if there might be any possibility of an upgrade today. Don't demand it, don't expect it, just ask nicely. You'd be amazed how often this works, especially on less popular flight times. Secret number 2 is about seat selection manipulation that happens right under your nose. You know how when you first book a flight, it seems like all the good seats are taken or cost extra? Well, here's what many airlines actually do. They deliberately hold back premium seats and aisle seats until closer to departure time. Then either release them for free or charge higher fees as the flight fills up. It's basically artificial scarcity designed to make you panic and pay more immediately. But here's your counter strategy. If seat comfort really matters to you, select and pay for your preferred seat immediately after booking your flight. Don't wait, don't gamble, just secure it. Alternatively, if you have any kind of loyalty status, use it to lock in better seats without the extra fees. Secret number 3 is probably going to make you angry, and that's the hidden fee game that airlines play. You see fees labeled as administration charges, processing fees, or service fees, and you might think these cover actual services. Wrong. These are just sneaky ways to raise ticket prices without showing higher fares in search results. Airlines know that most people comparison shop based on the initial price they see, not the final total. So they keep the base fare looking competitive and then hit you with all these mysterious fees at checkout. Your defense here is simple but crucial. Always check the complete final price before you commit to any booking. Add up everything and then compare that total to other airlines. Secret number 4 involves lounge access promises that aren't quite what they seem. Some credit cards and airline programs advertise free lounge access, but when you read the fine print, you discover there are catches. Maybe you need to book the most expensive fare type, or you need to spend a certain amount in a year, or the access only works on specific airlines. Before you get excited about lounge perks, verify exactly which lounges you can access, what the actual requirements are, and whether there are any minimum spending or fare class restrictions. Sometimes that free lounge access isn't really free at all. Secret number 5 is airport retail markup madness. This one's going to shock you. Duty-free doesn't automatically mean cheaper, and airport shops regularly charge more than regular stores, sometimes significantly more. They're banking on travelers being in a hurry, having limited options, and not being price sensitive when they're already spending money on travel. Your best strategy is to research prices online before your trip. If you need electronics, gifts, or even basic items, check what they cost at regular retailers. Often you can get better deals by planning ahead and shopping before you leave home. Secret number 6 is about boarding group psychology and how airlines use it to influence your behavior. Those boarding zones aren't just about efficiency. They're designed to make you feel like you're missing out if you don't have priority boarding, which encourages you to either check in earlier, pay for upgrades, or choose more expensive fare types. Here's the reality check. Unless you have a tight connection or need overhead bin space for a large carry-on, boarding early doesn't give you any real advantage. You're still going to sit in the same seat and arrive at the same time. Sometimes it's better to skip the priority boarding fee and use that time to grab coffee or relax in the terminal. Secret number 7 is going to sound counterintuitive, but overbooking can actually work in your favor. Yes, airlines deliberately sell more tickets than they have seats, which sounds terrible. But here's the hidden opportunity. When flights are oversold, airlines need volunteers to take later flights, and they're often willing to pay surprisingly well for this. We're talking travel vouchers, cash compensation, meal vouchers, hotel stays, and sometimes even upgrades on your rebooked flight. If you have flexible travel plans and your flight looks heavily booked, ask gate agents about volunteer compensation. Sometimes it's worth taking a later flight for the benefits. Secret number 8 is about insurance overlap that costs you money unnecessarily. Many travelers buy separate travel insurance policies without realizing their credit cards already provide similar coverage. You might be paying twice for the same protection, which obviously makes no financial sense. Before purchasing any travel insurance, check with your credit card company about what coverage you already have. Look into cancellation protection, medical coverage, baggage protection, and trip interruption benefits. You might discover you're already covered for most scenarios. Secret number 9 involves airport layout manipulation that affects your wallet and your stress levels. Many airports are designed to make you walk longer distances between gates, and this isn't accidental. The longer you walk, the more shops and restaurants you pass, and the more likely you are to spend money. Some airlines even schedule flights to use gates that require longer walks, knowing that this increases airport revenue and makes travelers more likely to purchase food, drinks, or airport services. When booking flights, don't just consider flight time and price. Look at gate locations and layover convenience, especially if you have tight connections. Now for secret number 10, the absolute wild card that changes everything. Instead of always chasing the cheapest possible fare, sometimes it's smarter to choose slightly more expensive tickets that earn you loyalty status and benefits. This is completely backwards from how most people think about booking flights. Here's why this matters. Loyalty benefits like free checked bags, priority boarding, lounge access, and upgrade opportunities can save you hundreds of dollars per year if you fly regularly. The key is doing the math on your specific travel patterns. If status perks would save you more money than the extra you spend on qualifying flights, then paying slightly more upfront is actually the smart financial move. Many travelers focus so intensely on individual ticket prices that they miss the bigger picture of total travel costs and experience quality over time. Alright friends, those are 10 airline and airport secrets that can seriously upgrade your travel game. If you put even half of these strategies into practice, you're going to fly smarter, spend less money, and avoid so many common travel frustrations. If this video helped you out, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss my latest travel strategies. I've got more insider tips coming your way that are going to blow your mind. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these secrets surprised you the most, and more importantly, which one you're going to try on your next trip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels, everyone.